Here's a video tutorial on how to view any site in desktop view on a Safari browser on iPhone to get all desktop functionality. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone, enter the website URL, and the website will open in mobile view. For desktop view, tap on the web settings icon at the bottom left corner, and tap on More Options, the three dots icon. Now, find the Request Desktop Website option, and tap on it to convert the web page to desktop view. That's it. To view this web page all the time in desktop mode, enable the Request Desktop Website from Safari or Safari Settings. Let's enable it. Tap on the website settings icon at the bottom left corner, tap on More Options, and scroll to the Website Settings section. Enable the Toggle Request Desktop Website. That's it. Now, when you open this website in a new tab on Safari, it will always open in desktop view. To manage from settings, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Last Option Apps. And again, search for the Safari option. Please scroll to the Request Desktop Website option and open it. Here's a website you can manage quickly, or force request all websites to stop viewing by enabling this toggle. As you can see, I can open my random site in desktop view in Safari. That's all the ways we can manage the desktop view on Safari for iPhone. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't forget to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.